23 years old, fresh out of college, and she just made more money in one night than her parents made in an entire year. Not from crypto, not from trading, not from some lucky lottery ticket. She earned it from a single deal, a bonus that hit her account because she helped two companies worth thousands of crores come together in a merger that made the headline across the every business newspaper in India. Why? Her friends were celebrating their first salary of 40,000 rupees a month. She was looking at a number with six zeros before the decimal point. This isn't a fiction. This isn't some American dream relocated to India. This is the reality of investment banking in 2025, and it's happening right here, right now, in the cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, and Gurugram. And the craziest part, this is just the beginning what this career can offer you. Welcome to In Great Learning. I'm Himanshi, and look, I'm not going to sell you some fantasy here. Investment banking is tough, really tough. But if you want to know why some of the smartest people in India are choosing this path, despite the craziest hour and intense pressure, stick with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share might completely change how you think about your career. Let's talk about the money first because honestly, that's what most of you want to know. A fresher at firms like Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley started at around 18 to 25 lakhs. Okay, good money, but not mind blowing, right? Here's where it gets interesting. By the year 3 to 4, you are making 50 to 70 lakhs. That's more than most senior manager make after the 15 year in other industries. Vice president are putting in 1 to 2 crore and the managing director we are talking 3 to 5 crore. Sometimes way more depending on the deal they close. I'm talking about reaching the kind of money most people dream about in their 40s by the time you are in your early 30s. That's not just a job, that's the financial acceleration. But here's what's nobody tell you, and this is actually the most important part. The money is great, yes, but what you learn in investment banking is what sets you up for the life. You know, when you read about the Zomato going public or the Blinkit getting acquired, and you think, wow, cool news. Investment bankers are the people actually making that happen. They are not just the observer, they are in the room where it happened. When the Zomato did their IPOs in 2021, investment bankers spent months valuing the company, creating the pitch, talking to the investor, and making sure everything was structured perfectly. When the Blinkit was sold to the Zomato for 4,500 crore, who do you think was running the number, doing the due diligence, and negotiating the term? Investment bank. And here's the thing, company like Zomato, Blinkit, Swiggy, they don't just want the investment bankers, they desperately need them. Every time these companies want to raise the money, acquire another company, or go to public, they cannot do it alone. They need someone who understands the complex financial structure, who can talk to the investor, who can value their business properly, and who can navigate the regulation. That's what the investment banker do. You become the person these companies call when they are making their biggest, most important decision. What I love about this field is that you're basically getting a crash course in a business that would take the most people 20 years to learn. You are building a financial model that teaches you how companies actually make the money. You're analyzing the industry from a fintech to a pharmaceutical to a manufacturing so you can understand what makes the business succeed or fail. You're working directly with the founders and CEO, seeing how they think and make the decision. You are doing this not for one company, but for the dozen of the company across the different sectors. By the time you are 3 years in, you have business knowledge that most MBAs would kill for. Let's be real about the work itself. Yes, the hours are long. You might be working till the midnight or later when the deals are closing. Yes, it's a high pressure because billions of rupees are on the line and mistakes are not really an option. But think about what you are getting in return. You are compressing the 10 years of learning into the 3. You are making the exceptional money while you are doing it. And you are building in a resume that literally opens every door you can imagine. The connection you make are insane. I'm talking about the direct access to the people running India's biggest company. You're not networking at some conference where you collect the business card. You're working alongside them through actual deals. These become the real relationship. And when you want to make your next career move, whether that's a joining startup, moving to the private equity, or even starting your own company. You have a network of people who have seen your work and know what you are capable of. And that brings me to the exit opportunity, which honestly might be the best part. After 3 to 5 years in the investment banking, the world is basically your oyster. Want to join the private equity where you are investing in company? They actively recruit the investment banker. Want to do the venture capital and back the next unicorn? Your banking experience make a top candidate. Want to join a company like a Flipkart or Razorpay in a strategy role? They are looking for the people with your exact skill set. Want to do an MBA from Harvard or Stanford? Your banking experience significantly boosts your chance. Or maybe you want to start something yourself. You now have the financial knowledge too, the network, and honestly, the saving to actually do it. Here's what's happening in India right now that make this the perfect time. Our startup ecosystem is exploding. Last year alone, Indian company raised over $25 billion. The IPO market is on the fire. Merger and the acquisition are happening left and right as the company consolidates. India is becoming the third largest economy in the world, and someone need to help all these companies to grow, raise the money, and make the strategic move. That someone is investment banker. The demand is massive and it's only growing. Look, I'm not going to tell you this is the right career for everyone. If you want a comfortable 9 to 5 where you clock out and forget about the work, this isn't it. But if you are ambitious, if you want to learn fast, if you want to make a serious money, and if you are excited by the idea of being at the center of India's biggest business deal, then investment banking is might be exactly what you are looking for. This is one of those rare careers where your 20s can genuinely set you up for whatever you want to do with the rest of your life. If this opened your eyes to what investment banking really is, hit that like button and subscribe to Integrate Learning for more honest career insight. Drop your question in the comment and I will answer them all. Trust me, your future self will thank you for taking your career seriously today.